Imagine this. A brand new Tesla drives itself straight from the factory floor to your front door. No driver, no crew, just pure software. That's not science fiction. That's happening right now. In a jaw-dropping first, Tesla's latest video showcases the world's first humanless vehicle delivery. A Model Y, fresh from the Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, navigating city streets, freeways, and even roundabouts completely on its own. Powered by the unreleased Robotaxi software, later downgraded to FSD, supervised, for customer handoff. The Model Y rolls off the production line and immediately heads out onto public roads. No special route, no tricks. Just a real-world test of Tesla's most advanced autonomous tech yet. And it's not just any Tesla. This redesigned Model Y boasts a 357-mile EPA estimated range, 182 miles of charge in just 15 minutes, and is fully prepped for FSD supervised. From its sculpted bumper to the sleek taillight, it's been rebuilt for maximum efficiency and silence. On the freeway, it comfortably cruises at 71 miles per hour, confident, stable, and completely driverless. Even a passing Cybertruck confirms there's no one inside. The cabin's just as impressive: acoustic glass, whisper-quiet ride, and a reimagined interior featuring soft-touch textiles and power reclining seats. You've got climate control and entertainment at your fingertips, literally, with front and rear touchscreens, an immersive 15.4-inch center display, and an 8-inch rear screen for second-row passengers. Tesla Arcade, live weather maps, detour time estimates, it's all in there. Need to haul gear? Fold down the rear seats and get up to 76 cubic feet of cargo space. The trunk even opens hands-free as you walk up. Dog mode, camp mode, Sentry mode, all on board, making this not just a smart car, but a smarter companion. Finally, the Model Y glides into a suburban driveway, flawlessly. A happy customer steps out to greet it. No delivery driver, no handshake, just history being made. This is more than just a delivery. It's a glimpse into Tesla's future. Fast, quiet, autonomous, and just getting started.